Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton will be back in court tomorrow morning as prosecutors and defense attorneys argue whether or not he can get a fair trial in North Texas. This all stems from the fraud charges that Paxton is facing. Our Phil Archer traveled to McKinney for this hearing. The case has some high-profile attorneys from here in Houston ready for a big showdown. The kind of story you love to watch. Here's Phil with more.
Well, the special prosecutors in this case want the trial moved. They'll be arguing in court here tomorrow that an impartial jury can't be seated in Collin County, Paxton's home county. They're going to be alleging that Paxton allies have been carrying on a campaign for months to try to influence potential jurors. Ken Paxton was charged with securities fraud in 2015 for allegedly failing to disclose to investors he was being paid to steer them to a friend's technology company. Paxton called the charges politically motivated.
These charges are false.
Last week, the prosecutors in the case filed a motion alleging that since then, quote, Paxton's posse of spokesmen, supporters, and surrogates has embarked on a crusade clearly calculated to taint the Collin County jury pool. The special prosecutors, Houston attorneys Kent Schaefer and Brian Weiss, contend Paxton supporters have filed lawsuits to malign them and stop payment of their salaries. They also cite radio ads run in North Texas attacking the alleged victims in the fraud case, videos and comments on social media, and they claim a confidential report from the Texas Rangers was leaked by a member of Paxton's defense team. The prosecutors contend all of that makes it impossible to pick an impartial jury in Collin County. They're asking to have the trial moved. Asked about the hearing while in Dallas today, the AG declined to discuss details.
I'd love to spend an hour talking about it. The reality is I'm looking forward to winning. I think in the end you'll see that we'll be successful and the truth will come out.
Paxton's trial is scheduled to begin here May 1st. Tomorrow at 11 a.m., the prosecutors will begin putting on witnesses in an attempt to convince the judge to move it. Reporting live in McKinney, I'm Phil Archer, KPRC Channel 2 News.
Phil, thank you. Now, Phil's live reports from McKinney continue throughout the day tomorrow. He'll have the latest from inside that hearing, both on air and online at click2houston.com.